Yo ho, all hands, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you haven't already, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about the Hellcat, and for obvious reasons, it's in the news. A whole bunch of websites have been discussing the interview that went on with Tim Kanaskis. I always butcher that guy's name. Tim Kanaskis, yes. And he was basically saying that 2023 will be the last year that you could get your hands on a Hellcat, which kind of makes sense with this 24 months of muscle. That will bring it right to the end. Not only will the 2023 be the last you could get your hands on a Hellcat, but the EV is going to be released, or a concept is going to be shown in 2022. I believe the details and the specs are going to be released at that point, and then 2024 it will then go on for sale. Now this is kind of concerning because we all thought that there was going to be a little bit of an overlap. You know, you would have a couple years with an EV and a Hellcat and let the market decide what they prefer. Unfortunately, that's just not the way that they're going to work it. I believe that they are going to keep the V6, the 5.7, and the 392 in the Chargers and the Challengers. And then it appears as though they're not even going to have a top-tier Charger or Challenger. The EV is going to be its own little entity, okay? Similar to what the Ford did with the Mach-E. So really the fastest Charger and Challenger you're going to be able to get your hands on in 2023 or 2024 actually would actually be a 392. And then if you want to go faster, you're going to have to get into the EV technology, which is who knows what it's going to be called. They are trying to implement a new technology, a new EV technology, which I don't understand really what it is that he's trying to say. That we're all going to be very happy with this new EV technology that they are producing. We all look at what's currently on the market today, and it's all pretty much the same. You have very silent, fast cars. Okay, and I'm not really sure what they have in store to make it better, or what their spin is going to be over at Dodge, but they're pretty confident that the Mopar community is going to be very pleased with the release of this new technology, this EV technology. So, you know, the instinct is to not like it, but I think that we all have to sit back, relax, and then see what they have in store. The good news is that, you know, you're going to still be able to get a naturally aspirated hemi, and, you know, if you really wanted to go faster, you could always, you know, put a blower on it or cam it or whatnot. So at least the option to get yourself into a hemi is still at least there. But this is kind of concerning, and, you know, it's kind of all making sense. A lot of people in the comment section have made points that, you know, Dodge is basically just throwing everything out there, getting a, you know, clearance and just getting rid of everything for the next generation of what we're about to see, the next generation of Mopars. The EV model is probably going to be the start of it, and then we're going to start seeing more things evolving or getting removed or replaced. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You know, news like this is all, you know, it's fun, it's exciting, but it's also a little concerning because many of us love what we have right now. It's just we want it improved. But it seems as though, you know, the world is evolving very quickly. and I think Dodge is trying to make it where they're not going to get left behind. Embracing EV technology seems to be inevitable for every manufacturer. We will see how it plays out, but they say that they have a different spin on this kind of stuff. So when we think of EV, we think of the Plaid, we think of these Teslas and, you know, silent speed. And yeah, they're fast, but, you know, there's more to driving than just having a fast quarter-mile time or 0 to 60. There's a fun factor. And I think Dodge understands that. So, you know, after this, I'm gonna show the articles that are getting posted. If you want to actually, you know, take some time to read it for yourself. Hopefully, you know, there's some things that maybe I missed or that I misinterpreted, and you know, you can kind of drop a comment and you know, let me know. All right, guys.